Marine debris is man-made trash that ends up in the ocean. This debris is not only unsightly, it can injure or kill marine life and cause significant damage. Biscayne National Park, Florida Sea Grant, and park volunteers partnered to remove marine debris from coral reefs off of South Florida. To date, the dive team has spent a collective 35 hours underwater, removing approximately 1.5 tons of debris. The most abundant items included monofilament line, anchors, anchor line, bottles, and lobster trap line. There are many simple steps you can take to help protect the resources of your coral reefs. Anchor safely on sand instead of hard bottom. Use this reef locator app to find areas where you can anchor. Use mooring buoys when they are available. Do not toss trash overboard, and to the extent possible, retrieve any fishing gear that has gotten away from you. Let's preserve and protect this amazing reef for this and future generations.